Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, so today I would like to discuss about Ubuntu Linux, and this time I will give 3 points. Azam,
What?
3 points.
What? 3 point shoot.
Yes, advantage, disadvantage, and why you use it. Okay, so this presentation will explore the key of aspect of Ubuntu Linux, including its core features, significant advantages that make it a complex alternative to priority operating system. So the first, what is Ubuntu Linux? Ubuntu is widely popular, free and open source Linux distribution developed by Canonical. It's built upon the robust Debian architecture, inheriting its stability and fast software repositories. Okay. Ubuntu is not just an operating system; it's a vibrant ecosystem that caters to a diverse user base, from individual desktop user to large enterprise. So Ubuntu is a good OS for you who are early to Linux. Its versatility is a key strength, as it developed across millions of devices globally, serving as the backbone for desktop. Powerful serve and scalable cloud platform can ensure regular updates and provide long-term support release. So the key of advantage of Ubuntu, there is free and open source. Ubuntu comes at no cost, eliminating license free fees. Is open source nature means the source code is freely available, allowing for transparency, customization, and community contribution. And the second is enhance privacy and security. Ubuntu prioritizes user privacy by not collecting or sharing personal data without explicit consent. It's both robust security feature, including regular update, AppArmor for kernel security, and community phase patch that protect against vulnerabilities. The third one is wide software ecosystem. Access thousands of applications to the Ubuntu Software Center, from popular browsers like Firefox to productivity suites, creativity tools, and communication apps like Spotify and Slack, ensuring a rich user experience. The fourth is the stability and performance. Now it's for its reliability. Ubuntu runs efficiently on both modern and older hardware. Users often report fewer crashes, no blue screen of death, and strong resistance to virus and malware, making it highly dependable. Excellent server use. Ubuntu is a top choice for server and cloud infrastructure, trusted globally for enterprise resource planning. System and database to it is unmatched stability, security, and proven performance under heavy loads. Next, there are notable disadvantages of Ubuntu. The first is hardware compatibility issue. While generally good, some newer or specialized hardware component might lack a readily available driver, leading to limited functional or requirement manual configuration. Second one is software compatibility. Certain priority Windows or macOS applications are not natively available on Ubuntu. User may need to find open source alternative, user virtualization software, or employee compatibility layer like Wine, which can sometimes be complex. The third is learning curve. For user accustomed to Windows or macOS, navigating like Linux or file system, understanding permission, and using the terminal for a certain task can be present an initial learning curve. Third, many tasks now have a graphical interface. So the fourth is update risk. So while updates enhance security and feature, especially a major system update can introduce an unexpected instability or break compatibility with specific software. or configuring. Require troubleshooting. The last is gaming limitation. Also rapidly improving, the native gaming ecosystem on Linux is smaller than Windows. While many popular games work via Steam Play, Proton, some titles may not run, or performance might be lower on certain hardware configuration. So, why choose Ubuntu? Choosing Ubuntu is a deliberate step toward a more open, secure, and customizable computing experience. It's ideal for users who prioritize privacy and desire an operating system or iOS free icon, license cost, and intrusive data collection. Developers and IT professionals find Ubuntu stable and open platform indispensable for software development, system administrator, and deploying robust application. So Ubuntu is a good OS for you who want to learn about Linux. So I recommend you to use Ubuntu for the first Linux you want to choose. So for business and large-scale operation, Ubuntu proven track record in server and cloud environments speak for itself, offering rock-solid performance and reliability with increased support for gaming and multimedia. Ubuntu is closing the gap with proprietary system, providing a well-rounded experience. The extensive support from its global active community means help and resources are always readily available, making the transition and ongoing use seamless. If you are already good at Linux, you can choose maybe other than Ubuntu. If you are already pro, you can choose like Arch and others. So this is a visual impact, and the conclusion: should you use Ubuntu if freedom, security, community-driven innovation are important to you? Ubuntu is an excellent choice for your computing needs. It offers a powerful, customizable, and reliable alternative to traditional operating system. Ubuntu strikes a balance between ease of use of everyday tasks and deep customization option for advanced user, making it suitable for both beginner eager to explore Linux and seasoned professional. Embracing Ubuntu can lead to significant cost reduction by eliminating software license fees, enhancing your digital privacy, and actively participating in a global open source movement. It has value collaborating and transparency. Ready to explore a different way of computing? You can download Ubuntu in its official website. Okay, maybe that's all for my explanation about Ubuntu. Sorry if I'm too fast to explain it. So this Ubuntu can be used for many people, like a beginner, student, or a newbie in networking. Okay, that's all the conclusion and the explanation. Syukron. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.